Here's problem 9 from the 2014 AMC 8. In triangle ABC, D is a point on side AC such that BD equals DC, and angle BCD measures 70 degrees. What is the degree measure of angle ADB? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw the picture. Here is triangle ABC, with point D on side AC. We are told that BD equals DC, shown in green with tick marks, and that the angle at C, angle BCD, is 70 degrees. Look at the small triangle BDC. Since BD equals DC, it is isosceles. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, so the angle at B, angle DBC, also equals 70 degrees. The three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So angle BDC equals 180 minus 70 minus 70, which is 40 degrees. Now notice that A, D, and C all lie on the same straight line, because D is on side AC. So angle ADB and angle BDC together make a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Therefore angle ADB equals 180 minus 40, which is 140 degrees. The measure of angle ADB is 140 degrees, choice D.